Hey y'all, Kitchen Trap Queen here with the cookies and cream pound cake. Yes, I'm adding this to my list of pound cakes that I sell and I will be selling for Thanksgiving. Y'all get at me. If you're interested in learning how to make this, guys, stay tuned. So first we're going to start off with our softened cream cheese. Yes, guys, cream cheese. Again, in one of my recipes. Yeah. And then that's some butter flavored shortening, and I'm adding in 2 sticks of softened salted butter, and we're going to cream these together. Now we're going to add in our 3 cups of sugar. Yes, 3 cups, y'all. Do it. Just do it. Trust me. And we're just going to add these in 1 cup at a time. Now we're going to stop and scrape down the sides of our bowl. You pretty much want to do this after every step. And then now we're going to put our mixer back on and we're going to add in our 5 eggs, 1 at a time. We're going to stop and scrape down the sides of our bowl yet again. Remember, you want to do this pretty much after every step. So now we're going to put our mixer on a low speed and we're going to add in our cake flour and our milk. You want to alternate between the flour and the milk so that you are starting with the flour and you're ending with the flour. So we're adding in 3 cups of cake flour. So I'm adding in 1 cup of flour, a half a cup of milk, another cup of flour, a half a cup of milk, and I'm going to end with my flour. You always want to start with flour and end with flour. So now I'm going to add in a little bit of salt, and then I'm going to add in a tablespoon of vanilla. This is actually Mexican vanilla. So this is the brand that I use. This is not the brand that my mama brought back from Mexico, because that one was the authentic stuff and it was so good. It's like a deep, rich type of, I can't describe it, y'all. Just get some type of Mexican vanilla, but that's the brand that I use. If you're in Houston, they have them in Jovi's. So now we're just gonna give it one last mix and we're gonna add in our crushed Oreos. What I've done is that I took about 15 Oreos and I put them in my food processor and I just pulsed because I did still want big chunks of cookie. I didn't want them real fine. And we're just gonna fold these into our batter. Now we're going to take a bundt pan and grease it really well. Y'all, I'm so mad at this bundt pan. I'm going to have to get rid of it. So as y'all can see, I'm putting a whole bunch of Baker's Joy, which is a nonstick cooking spray. Y'all see how much Baker's Joy I put in here, right? Okay, so just keep that in mind. And this is a brand new pan. I don't want to say it's a brand new bundt pan. I probably got it maybe 2 months ago and I haven't made that many cakes in it. But anyways, you're just gonna take a bundt pan and you're gonna spray it with some cooking spray, put your batter in it, and we're gonna bake our cake for 1 hour and 25 minutes. So I let the cake cool for about 5 to 10 minutes and then I turned it over and vitiligo happened again. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get rid of this pan. My mama told me that I wasn't supposed to put that pan in the dishwasher, but I did. So even though I put Baker's Joy in it, it's still stuck and I still got vitiligo on my cake. But I was able to fix it with this icing that I'm making. So what I have here is some powdered sugar. I'm adding in some heavy whipping cream, a little bit of water, some vanilla extract, and some salt. And I do have the actual recipe for this icing down below. So once you have it all mixed in, it should look exactly like this. You want it a little thick but runny. And we're just going to put this all over the top of our cake, and I was just hoping that I was able to cover up those stuck on pieces. Y'all, I don't know what to do with this pan. I'm just thinking about all the cakes that's stuck in this pan. And then now I'm just going to garnish it with a little bit of Oreos, and that was it, guys. Cookies and cream pound cake. So let's cut it, and this is what it looks like on the inside. It was really, really good. The first time I did it, I didn't add enough salt, but now I think I know exactly what to add. But now, make sure you like, share, subscribe, and all that good stuff, and I will see you guys in the next video.